Hello, what's up everyone, hope you are doing fine. I'm super excited to bring to you this video in which I will be showing you how I have set up my Nova launcher in my Android phone. The Nova launcher is one of the best launchers in the market right now, and you can download a free or a paid version. So to get started with the settings, I'm in this screen where I'm requested to choose my initial layout. This is a screen where will be taken when you install the Nova launcher for the first time, or you reset your Nova launcher to default. You can be able to reset your Nova settings to default by going to the Nova settings and then selecting the reset Nova launcher. So in this screen, I'm requested to choose my initial layout, so I'm just going to go with the start flash. So these are simple setup. So just come and select your theme in the next step, which I'll pick the dark theme. And then next I'll choose my drawer style, in which I'll go with the swipe up, and I'm done. Just going to apply the settings. So I'll be taken to this screen where I'm just going to have the drawer down here. So this is where I'll have the most commonly used icons, the icons that the Nova launcher thinks that I may use more frequently, but I'm just going to remove all of them here so that I just have a plain screen. So what I'm just going to do is to come and remove all of these. So I'm just going to remove that. So I'm removing all of these icons in the dock, so I don't have anything. So this is just my style. Of course you can have your own style, so I'm just showing you how I have it set on my phone. So upon doing that, what I want now to do is to go to the Nova launcher settings. So open the Nova launcher settings, and the first thing that I want to set up is the home screen. So I'll pick the home screen, and I'll come and select the layout, or set up the layout, in which case I want to go with the 3 for the rows, or I mean the columns. And then this one I can go with 6. You can pick any layout that you want here. So in my case I have it with 3 and 6, so I can just come and say done in that case. For padding, let me just have it as it is for now. For icon layout, I may want to come and put some shadow. So I'll just come and have these checked. So these will have some shadow beneath the names, and also beneath the icon pictures. So I can also come and try to play with the size here a little bit, and then also the size of these, I don't want it to be so big, can leave it at 110, and that's it. You can be able to play around with the sizes here depending on the icon packs that you're using, and depending on how many apps you have on your phone. So I'll just have that like that, and then what I want to do after that is to come and have a search bar placement, and I'm going to have it with a dock above icons. So this is how I have it in my phone. You may have a different idea. So I have the dock placed above the icons, and if we may check that, so this is how we are going to have it. This one should be removed. I don't know how, just remove that. Yes, so that's it. So the next thing that I want to do is to come and select the style, the search bar style, and I want to go with this one. So I'll just come and select this one, and then the style I want to go with this one that will have some color. And then down here I want to come and select I want to give it the assistant look. So where I'm going to have this voice or search voice, or whatever you may call it. So it will help you to search by voice, simply what I mean. Or you can have it like that. You can have it as a common one, or you can have it as assistant. So to depend on how you want it to look, or you may also come and just remove it all together. So that's how I have that. So if you come and check that, we are going to have something like that. Then the next thing that I have done is that I've gone to so now the next thing I want to set up the app drawer. So I'll go back to the Nova settings, the main screen here, and then I'm going to select the Nova app drawer. And then here what I want to do is under gestures, I want to turn this one off, the swipe up, so that I'm not swiping up as many people are doing, or as it is the norm. I want to have a certain transition animation. Instead of having it swipe up to open or close, I will set up a certain transition animation, and I'm going to go with circle swipe. You can also go with the circle. Circle is also similar with the circle swipe. And then I'm just going to say done. Yes, and then on the app drawer settings also, I'm going to come and select the background color of my icons. So like for example, when I do it like that, you see I'm not seeing my wallpaper, so I want to set up a color maybe that will allow me to see the background color, or just reduce the transparency of this dark color so that I can see my wallpaper. So what I'm going to do in that case is you come and select the background color. So I want to go with that color, and then I'll apply it there. And then I want to come and play with the transparency. Let me just try to put it at 40 and check how that looks like. So to open my apps, I'll just come and click this, and the apps will open that way. To close them, I just come and click that, so just be opening like that. So when I click this again, what will be opening is this, the Nova search. So it will now depend on you. So if I want to open the apps, I'll just do it like that, and if I want to close it, I'll just do it like that. Open the apps, close. Open the apps, close. So I'm not happy with the transparency, so I may come and try to reduce it a little bit. Let me set it at 20, see how that looks like. So open that. Oh, too much. All right, let me set it above that. Let me put it at around 70. 70. How does that look? All right, that looks a bit better. That looks good. So the background is now set. So now the next thing that I want to do is to change the app drawer style, and I want to change it to horizontal. So I'll just come and click that and set it to horizontal, and I think that looks a bit better. And I want to come and also change this to 3. So the draw upgrade 3.6, that is good. And if I come and check that, yes, I should see something like that. So just be scrolling around like that to see my apps. Then the next thing that I want to do is to head on back to the same place, the app drawer, and what I want to do is to come and change the scroll accent color, and I want to change this to my favorite color, which is that green color. Then I'll apply it there. So that looks nice. According to me, that looks nice. Yeah, so I can head on back to set up a few more things. So I can head on to the look and feel, and here I want to change the icon style. So I'll come and click that, and under icon theme, I'll change icons from the system icon theme to Wicons. So Wicons is a good set of icons that you can download for free from the Google Play Store. So I'll come and select the Wicons. Select the Wicons, and they are going to have it. and I'm also going to come and select the icon shape to circle, and yeah, that looks nice according to me. Yeah, that looks nice. So let me check out how they look, how those icons look. So just come and minimize it here. So that according to me looks nice. You see how well the icons are spaced out, and on top here you can be able to come and search whatever icon that you want. So that looks nice according to me. Then the next thing that I want to change is this thing that is appearing down here. So I'm going to head on to my Nova launcher settings, and I'm going to head on back to the home screen setup, and I'm going to scroll down to the page indicator, and I don't want it to look like a line. I want it to have to look like a dots. So I'm going to select that, and then the accent color, I can pick the green color, and then I apply it there. And if we check that out, yeah, that's how that looks like. So that's nice. So the next thing that I want to do is, because of my background color and my wallpaper, I would want to have this text with a certain background. Let me just call it drop shadow, so that it is more clear to the eye, so that it's clear. So let me check where we apply that. I'm trying to check where we apply the drop shadow, show shadow. Let me see that show shadow. That is at the home screen settings at the advanced, and you open that. Right. Not yet. I'm not yet happy with that. Let me go back to app drawer, and I want to check just a minute. I'm checking the icon. Yes, so that is under, yes, it is under, actually under the app drawer and under the icon layout option. So I just want to come and give it a drop color, a drop shadow, or a shadow simply, and yeah, so that's nice. So let's check out how that looks on the screen here, and yeah, that looks nice. So I can be able to come and look for a certain app here, like WhatsApp. And here you go. So maybe I can also try to check the color of this Nova search. I don't know why it's not appearing in green. Let me try to check how I had that setup. I think it should be at a look and feel. Screen animation speed, scroll speed, yes, up search a background color. So I want to change that to nice color. Maybe let's see that, and you see how that looks like. Yeah, that's nice. Yes, so that will now make my icons being white appear very well. So this will depend on the color of your icons, and my icons being white in color, I would want to select a background that will make them clear, that will make them visible. Yeah, so and if I want to search in my case, I'll just come and tap that, and I'm able to search. If I want to open the apps, I'll just come and tap that, and the apps appears. If I want to like close, I can just come and click that, and they are closed. Yeah, so that's how I have my Nova launcher set up in my Android phone. One of the other things that you can also be able to do is also remove the recent apps. So you don't want to be showing those apps that you have used recently. According to me, I may want to remove that under the home screen. I will want to come and remove that, or should it be under the home screen? No, let me see. App drawer, yeah, frequently used app, turn that one off. Yes, I don't want them there. So that one makes it look clean. But again, all of these depends on you and how you use your phone. So that's how I have my Nova launcher set up in my phone. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and more importantly, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get these and more IT related how-to videos. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and as usual, see you in the next one. Thank you.